Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a brush tool. First guys, I want to go to the file menu and select a new document. When I want to select a new document and just create a click button. When I want to create a click button, that time my new document window is open here. After that guys, you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar, you want to select the paint brush tool. Paint brush tool shortcut key is there B guys. Now you want to come to the layer panel and you want to select the paint brush tool. Then guys, it is coming like this type symbol. You want to increase the brush symbol means curly bracket. You want to right curly bracket, you want to click, that time brush size is increasing. Left curly bracket you want to use means that time brush size is decreasing. When I want to select the brush tool, then guys I want to draw like this type. When I want to draw like that type, that time you want to come to the in options. In that option you want to select brush definition. When you want to select the brush definition, then guys in down here different type of brushes it is there. Which brush you want to select that brush. And if you want to change the color means you want to select change the color and you can draw it. In that brush option down left hand side brush library it is there. In that brush library different type of brushes it is there. Which brush you want to select. Now I want to select the artistic calligraphic and I want to just drag here like that. Here different type it is there. Which type you want you can select and you can drag it. And if you want to double click on the brush, that time my brush sizes it is coming. When my brush sizes it is there means you want to increase the size and you want to see here different type of brushes it is there. You want to up and down arrow and just click OK and apply the stroke. Then guys you want to see my brush it is coming like this type. This type it is you want to create your own brushes using the paint brush tool guys. Like that type you want to use this paint brush tool. When I want to use the paint brush tool, that time guys just wait. When I want to select the paint brush tool, that time you want to see guys, here I want to draw one line. That time you want to see one path is created. Another line you want to draw another path and I want to draw here to here another path it is created. Means when you want to use the paint brush tool, that time each and every time it is created a new path. And next it is coming guys blob brush tool. The blob brush tool shortcut key is there shift plus B. When I want to select the blob brush tool, see guys here one more line and one more path it is created. And here you want to draw another path it is created. When this two path you want to join, that time it is merging to the third path. Like that type you want to use different between the brush tool and blob brush tool. And when you want to select the paint brush tool, here in center one blue color path it is showing. But when you want to select the blob brush tool, the outside and inside the blue color line it is showing. This is the blob brush tool. This type you can find out what is the brush tool and what is the blob brush tool. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.